Welcome to all RC action. We're going to be doing an unboxing of the Axial AX24 XC-1 with four-wheel steer. It's a 24 scale electronic four-wheel drive rock crawler. Get this thing out of the box, still sealed for my wife's protection. Comes in a nice box, see-through window. What else is in the box? Got your manual, an Allen key, some stickers, and the battery, and a bind plug. And the other box should have just the radio. Got a charge lead with it. And the radio, and a nice bubble wrap. It's your standard radio. And it did come with batteries. So we'll get that open and get the batteries in there. Here comes the 4. What I like to do as soon as I get a new car is to label everything, so when you have more than a couple in the 100 range, a couple 200 range, you don't get things confused. So I make labels, I put them in container store bins, the shoebox. So we'll put a label on this first so we don't get these radios confused. Right on the top there. We know what that is. Next to 4 batteries. I like them because they're gold, which is close to yellow. Nice. And this is the container I was telling you about. So we'll put a label on that so we can keep all our parts for this box together. Put it right in the center. So right there in the center. And put all your stuff in it. I already purchased the clear body Axial 2012 to replace this body so I can have a nice yellow one. We'll put the charger in there too. That way you can keep all your stuff together. You won't lose things. These stack up nicely. I've gone 15 high with these things and they stay pretty balanced. Time to get this out. Ooh, time for some cutters. I like to use these yellow little snips. They're good for clearing parts off of parts trees. And you can get like a 5-pack for $9 from Amazon. And give them to your buddies at the track. You can promote your yellow. Nice little background in there. There's the truck. Still don't know how to get the body off. Let's see here. Is it Velcroed on? It looks like it's just Velcro. Nice. All right. Got the 4-wheel steer. Kind of springy. I'll turn the radio on. The button right there. I also like to label the batteries. I don't know how to get to the battery. Looks like it uses a clip. Ooh, it's got lights on it too. I like the servos. Let's see here. After use, unplug. I guess this is the battery. It goes in this little spot right here. Get it plugged in there. They got that tight. Move it this way. There's a little notch on the top. I wonder why. I could afford another millimeter of cable so it would be easy to get this in there. I hope kids don't try this. This is tough. There we go. Got it bent out of the way now. Oh my goodness. That's tough. Even my sausage fingers. It's in there. Turn it on. Ooh. I guess I don't know which way the front is. That must be the front. Velcro back on. Let's see here. 2-wheel steer. Down. Opposing. How you do crab? Two-wheel, back up. There we go. You push this up again for crab. Down for 2, down for 4. Ooh, pretty nimble. I like it. To the crab now. Oh, I like the crab. Well, that was a lot of fun. I want to paint that body up, get it all set up with yellow. Oh, there's no foams in these. They are squishy. It'll be fun. Bring that to Key City and see how she runs in the little micro rock crawling track. And like I said, I like to label the batteries so when I take them out, so I made a little label here so I know, put that on the battery. That way I can keep track of them all. If anybody wants this, I'll be giving this away so I can have just my yellow one. Alright, that's all I think you can review on something this small. Got to figure out how to get that battery out still. There's a clip on this side. I'm assuming that tray comes out. It looks like it hinges up. Get that out of there. Alright, have a good night.